Hello. Time to run. And guys, if you want to know how to use hoverboard, all you just is double jump. See? You can't even jump with it. And that's how you get it. So guys, I'll also shout out to Shane. Subscribe to Transporter Guy on YouTube right now. I might leave it in the description if I can. So guys, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe. But we are not done. That was the introduction. Also, I am recording this really late. And I forgot the hoverboard. I need to hit onto anything. So guys, that is how you win. Also guys, they say you have to stay on top as much as you can. So guys, follow me on Roblox. My username is Evil Chicken 1222. You might see me with a guitar crown, cause and also to be sure to follow Shenyu. Oh, and I got a friend who is a bully on Roblox, the one I play in. Not this game, but the one I love most. He called Aridini. And guess what? Do not follow him. Also, please to support me. So it's a year. One more. And we get it. I want that as much as I can. So guys, can you tell me where is it? Cause it's Happy New Year, 1st of January. That's why oh well, it's actually 2nd. Gotcha! Or Happy New Year. And I completed a mission. One thing I like about this game is that you keep grinding no matter what. And I just failed. What's in the box? Ooh, a key. So guys, one more before I end the video, just right here. I got the tip for you. Try stay on top of this as much as you can. Woo! Woo! That was the end. So guys, subscribe to right now if you haven't already. Maybe even if you like. And also comment what you want I do for the next video. Maybe Roblox, Plant vs. Zombie version 2. Or some sort of game I have on my tablet right now. So guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And guys, I see you on the next video.